Hi everyone, it is Caitlin again. So by now you should have your model all set up in Sage Modeler. So here's one that I have set up. And one of the really neat things that you can do with this platform is use it to simulate environmental change and see how that affects the decomposition of our mulch. So to get started, click on the arrow up top where it says Simulate, and that's at the upper right-hand corner here. And this will turn on slider bars for our different model components that affect the others. You can use this to see how changes in the environment will impact different parts of the model. So for example, I want to see what might happen in a drought year. So I'm going to have not going to affect my sunlight here, but I want to move precipitation all the way down. And as you can see, when there's low precipitation, that also brings down my soil moisture, and it also has an effect on my decomposition as a result. And you can move it up and down to see how these changes affect every other factor here. And you can do the same with any other factors that also have a slider, so things that are affecting the system. For example, I can move our sunlight up and down here if I want to see how the input of some different amounts of sunlight also affects our model. And you can play with moving these up and down in different amounts to see how it affects, especially the decomposition rate of our two types of mulch. You can also see that the factors affect our two different types of mulch a little bit differently. And that's because I set the relationships a little bit differently when I was making the model. For example, in my model, high rainfall has a bigger effect on the decomposition rate of woody mulch than it does of our straw-like mulch. So that's it. Go ahead and play with your model and see how any changes to the ecosystem might affect the decomposition of our mulch.